Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I would like to share on how to solve simple programming. I'm sure that almost everyone knows that programming is a problem-solving activity. And I want to share two methods on how to solve the problem. The two methods are pseudocodes and flowchart. Some people would just use pseudocodes and some people might just use flowchart. But there are also people that use both pseudocodes and flowchart. So here I want to share on how to use pseudocodes and flowchart. For the pseudocodes, we can do the pseudocodes in Microsoft Word, Notepad, Sublime, or maybe just roughly write on the paper. And now let's try to solve the simple problem. To plan and solve this simple problem, there are three steps. First is pseudocode, then flowchart, and last we can start coding. For now, let's start with pseudocode. There are three important points or part in pseudocode. It is input, process, and output. First step in pseudocode, we need to find out what is the input or what is the data that we need for solving the problem. For this question, the inputs are weight and height. Then for the process, we need to know how to carry out or how to use the data. So here, the process is the formula for calculating the BMI. Then the last step in pseudocode is the output. This part is the answer of the problem, so the output is the BMI. Okay, now we have done the first step. For your information, this is one of the ways on doing the pseudocode. Some people might just keep the process part. However, it still depends on the problem and the way of how you think and how you solve the problem. And now, let's move to the second step, the flow chart. For the flow chart, I just use the Raptor software because it is easy to use. Same as in the pseudocode, first is the input. Drag the input box and double click. For this area, write a suitable sentence to get the data. Then, name the variable as you want. For me, I just use weight. Since there are two inputs, so we need to have two boxes of the input. So, just repeat the same step. Then continue with process part. For flowchart, the process is the assignment. So drag the box and double click. Here we write about what we want from this assignment. For this question, we want to know the BMI, while for this box, just write the formula or the process of the problem. In the last part, drag the output box and double click. First, just write suitable sentence followed by the outputs of what we named the previous box, BMI. And now, let's test and run the program. When this appears, it means we have turned on planning. Since the output has showed the right answer, it means now we have done planning and let's proceed on coding. There are lots of Java programming software such as JGrapes, Adlibs, and NetBeans. And you can also do online such as JDoodle. And in this video, I would like to share on how to use the NetBeans software. First, click New File, and then click Next, and name the file anything you want. I name it as BMI. For now, just remove the unnecessary thing. And let's start coding. This line is important to make our coding less complicated. Then we need to use the scanner. Since we want to enter data or when we have input. When doing the coding, don't forget that we have already planned the process on the flowchart and pseudocodes, so that the process in coding becomes easier. Same as the flowchart that we have done before, write the coding to enter data, and then declare the variable. Since weight is a real number, we need to declare as double. For next input, just repeat the same coding. Write the coding to enter the data. And declare the variable as a double. Before we write the formula or the assignment part, don't forget to also declare the BMI as double. Now the last part is the output, and what's the answer that we want to appear on the screen. And now let's run the program. When this appears, it means we have done. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching.